At Mammo.com, we take great pride in our exceptional service and maintenance capabilities for Hologic mammography equipment and other diagnostic imaging equipment. We understand the importance of the mammography modality and the dedication it requires to fully support your patients, which is why we go above and beyond to ensure that our service and maintenance offerings are second to none with the highest uptimes. One of the things that sets us apart is that we never charge extra for working after hours or weekends. This means that, regardless of the time of day or day of the week, you can count on us to be there when you need us most. And with fast response times, you can expect to have your equipment back up and running in no time. We also maintain an impressive up to 98% uptime on our systems, thanks to our highly trained and experienced service engineers. If your equipment does experience a malfunction which requires a field service engineer, you can be confident that we'll have one on site quickly to get things back to normal. This rapid response time minimizes downtime, ensuring that you can continue to provide high-quality care to your patients without any interruptions. We understand the importance of mammography and having reliable equipment, which is why we take great care to ensure that our service and maintenance offerings are tailored to meet your unique needs. Whether it is routine maintenance, equipment repairs, or technical support, we're here to help. So, if you're looking for a partner you can trust to keep your diagnostic imaging equipment running smoothly, look no further than Mammo.com.